Okay, I know where I am, so that doesn't count. Okay, let's try this again. I did not time out on IRCS, so here we go. Close all that. Okay, turn this back off. Hi, J. Nickel. Okay. So, I have this building, and Doug is right there, and I go through the door, but I don't go through that door. I need to go to the east, or my right, after I kill Doug. Doug is, there's Doug. Alright, pick up Doug's shotgun. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, sweet. Fuck. Where is it? Okay, I'm not taking damage. We're good. Okay, shit. That's right. I'll shotgun there. I did not mean to use that. 6. Building has, oh yeah, the blue key building has a door. I want this door. Okay, wait. Okay, I think the blue key's right in front of the door. I'm not hearing anything get picked up. Shit, where'd the door go? Okay, if I have the blue key, I have to... Okay. Fuck, how do I line myself up with that? Ah, fuck. I got him. Alright, hold up. Shit. Fuck. Okay, so... I have that brick building. Shit. Okay, I need to get the invulnerability. Fucking... Go away, enemies. I'm trying to fucking map this. Okay, so... I need to get that invulnerability, which is... on that, like, rotating gray vine pillar pedestal thing that I do the drop-off onto, where I go up those set of stairs.